Hey friends, if you wish to install Grammarly on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions and click on Visit Chrome Store. And then search for Grammarly and then click on Grammarly AI Writing Assistant. Okay, it's just a grammar checker app and now it has this AI writing feature too. Click on Add to Chrome and select Add Extension. Now this extension will need a while to be added, so you'll have to wait till then. Okay, and once it does, you can notice it on this icon here. Click on this and select Sign Up or Sign In. Okay, whatever is good for you. I will simply sign into it, and now this extension is live on my browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.